Hi students, this is the third video for RRB NTPC trigonometry. So please make sure that you are watching the first videos before watching this one. And we know actually trigonometry comparing to other part, it feels little tough because there are some formulas and equations you need to study and keep. Ready? For this particular question, whatever the formulas we require, I am writing here. But make sure that in competitive exams, we are not going to get the same question. So what you want to do? Study nicely the equations and formulas before practicing this. Ready? We have some other videos for formulas and all. So please make sure that you are studying the entire equations and formulas. So let's start the work. The first question I will read now. 2 cos theta minus pi by 2 plus 3 sin theta plus pi by 2 minus 3 into sin theta plus 2 cos theta equal question mark. Answer A, cos theta minus sin theta. B, sin theta minus cos theta. C, sin theta plus cos theta. D, cot theta minus tan theta. Of course, the option 1 A, 2B, 3D, 4C. It came in RRB NTPC 5/4/2016 shift 3. Ready? For this particular question, you need to know very important three equations. For trigonometry, actually the value of pi is 180. But make sure that the value of pi, in the case of mensuration, actually pi equals 3.14, otherwise pi equals 22/7. This one we are not going to use here. Ready? But actually for trigonometry, pi equals 180. Ready? Now, pi by 2 means 180 by 2 means what you will get? 90. That means some of the equations are here. Let us see. Cos minus theta equals cos theta. This is the first equation. Cos minus theta equals cos theta. After that, sin 90 plus theta. That is what actually sin pi by 2 plus theta equals cos theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta, that means cos 90 minus theta equals sin theta. So these three equations we need. First one, cos minus theta equals cos theta, sin pi by 2 plus theta equals cos theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta equals sin theta. Ready? Let's start the work. See, what is here? 2 cos theta minus pi by 2 plus 3 sin theta plus pi by 2 minus bracket 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. This equals 2 cos. From these two, we will take minus outside because theta minus pi by 2 means there is no equation for that, isn't it? So what we will do? Theta minus pi by 2 will convert into pi by 2 minus theta. For that, we will take minus outside. Ready? That means theta minus pi by 2 will become pi by 2 minus theta, whole bracket, plus 3 sin. Now here, theta plus pi by 2, we don't have the equation. So what we will do? We will change this one. Means theta plus pi by 2 will write pi by 2 plus theta. Ready? Now, minus, just keeping inside the bracket, 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta equals 2 cos minus theta. In place of theta, the entire term, what is that? Pi by 2 minus theta. This one we take it as theta. So cos minus theta is cos theta. That means what you will write? Cos minus pi by 2 minus theta means what you will write? Cos pi by 2 minus theta. Cos minus theta is cos theta plus 3 into sin 90 plus theta. Otherwise, sin pi by 2 plus theta. Sin pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. That means cos theta. Ready? See 3. Sin pi by 2 plus theta means cos theta. Now we will open with minus. Minus 3 sin theta. After that, this minus into plus minus 2 cos theta. Ready? This equals 2. Cos pi by 2 minus theta. See that cos pi by 2 minus theta, that is sin theta. That means what you'll write? 2 sin theta. Now 3 cos theta minus 2 cos theta. See, 3 cos theta minus 2 cos theta. What you'll get? 3 minus 2, 1. 1 cos theta means you can write cos theta. That means plus cos theta. Balance minus 3 sin theta. Equals. Now we will write cos theta first. That means cos theta. Now 2 sin theta, that is plus minus 3 sin theta. Plus and minus, what will do? Minus. So 3 minus 2, 1. But the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 1 sin theta. That means minus sin theta. So our answer is cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta means answer is the right answer. That means the option 1 is the right option. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Read the question once. If sin A equals 4 by 5 and sin B equals 5 by 13, then cos A plus B equals question mark. Answer: A 16 by 65, B 63 by 65, C 33 by 65, D 56 by 65. Of course, the options are given and it came in RRB NTPC 6/4/2016 shift 3. Ready? So in this question, actually we want to find out cos A plus B. Ready? So let us see the equation for cos A plus B. Cos A plus B equals, what is the equation? Cos A plus B equals cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is the equation. But in this question, it is given actually sin A equals 4 by 5. Given. After that, sin B is given. But we want cos A cos B. Cos A cos B is not given. But sin A sin B is given, isn't it? So from sin A, we will find out the value of cos A. For that, what we will do? We have one equation. Cos square theta equals 1 minus sin square theta. That means if you want the value of cos theta equals, square goes next side, square root. That means root of 1 minus sin square theta. Ready? That means what will happen here? If you want cos A equals root of 1 minus sin square A. I hope you can understand. Cos theta equals root of 1 minus sin square theta. That means what you will do? Cos A equals root of 1 minus sin square A equals root of 1 minus sin square A. Sin A is 4 by 5. So sin square means 4 by 5 the whole square equals root of 1 minus square of 4, 4 4s are 16, square of 5, 5 5s are 25 equals square root of, we will take the LCM 25. Then we have to multiply this, isn't it? So 1 into 25, 25 minus 16 equals root of 25 minus 16, 9. 9 by 25. Now this equals square root of 9, 3. 3 3s are 9, isn't it? Divided by square root of 25, that is 5. See, if you have doubt how to take square root and all, we have some other videos. Please make sure that you are watching that. Okay. Now, cos A we got it now. Now what we will do? Sin B is there. From there we will find out cos B. That means given sin B equals 5 by 13. Now from here we will find out the value of cos B. For that what you will do? We know the equation cos B equals root of, see, cos theta equals root of 1 minus sin square theta. That means cos B equals root of 1 minus sin square B equals root of 1 minus sin square B. That means the value of sin B is 5 by 13, the whole square equals root of 1 minus square of 5. 5 5s are 25. Divided by square of 13. 13 13s are 169. Equals. Now see, root of, I am going to take LCM as 169. So 169, if I take LCM, I have to multiply here, isn't it? So 1 into 169, 169 minus here will get 25 equals square root of 169 minus 25, that is 144. So 144 divided by 169 equals square root of 144. That means total square is, yes, 144. That means square root of 144, what you will get? 12 by square root of 169, what you will get? 13, because 13 square is 169. So 13. So we got it now cos B. Now we got it cos A, cos B. And we already have sin A, sin B. Now what you will do? Therefore, cos A plus B equals, therefore cos A plus B equals cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. This is formula, you need to by head it. Ready? This equals, what is the value of cos A? Cos A, 3 by 5. Cos A, cos B mean cos A into cos B. That means what you will get? In place of cos A, we wrote 3 by 5 into cos B. Cos B is 12 by, 12 by 13 minus sin A. What is the value of sin A? Sin A is 4 by 5 into sin B. 5 by 13. Ready? This equals, now numerator into numerator. That means 3 into 12. 3 12s are 36. Divided by 5 into 13. 5 13s are 65. Minus 4 5s are 20. Divided by 5 13s are 65. Ready? Equals. Now see, the denominators are same. Ready? That means you will write 65 as common LCM. Ready? After that, now what you will do? Same numerator we can write. What is that? 36 minus 20. 36 minus 20. Because we don't want to change it, because the same denominator as LCM. Ready? After that, 36 minus 20. Yes, 16. 16 by 65. 16 by 65 means answer A is the right answer. A is the right answer means option 2 is the right option. Ready? Let's go to the next question. I'll read the question once. If cot x equals 5 by 12, then sin square x plus 1 equal question mark. Answer A, 194 by 169. B, 216 by 65. C, 331 by 169. D, 313 by 169. Of course, the options are given. It came in RRB NTPC 6/4/2016, shift 3. Ready? See, what I am going to do here means we will be taking Pythagoras theorem. That means I will take cot theta equals base by perpendicular. Ready? After that, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. These two we will apply. After that we can do the balance. Ready? After that we know actually one more I think we have to write. That is sin theta or sin theta equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. This much you need. Actually we can use some other equations, but it will be little more complicated. Ready? Let's start. What is given here? Given cot x equals 5 by 12. Cot theta means we know that base by perpendicular. So cot x means what you will write? Base by perpendicular equals 5 by 12. Ready? This implies base equals 5. See, base equals 5 and perpendicular equals 12. Ready? Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what you can write? hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square equals base. What is the value of base? 5. So 5 square plus perpendicular is 12 square. Ready? So this equals 5 square. 5 5s are 25 plus 12 square means 12 into 12. That means 144. Now 144 plus 25, you will get 169. That is hypotenuse square. Therefore hypotenuse equals square goes next side, square root. That means square root of 169. Square root of 169 means 13, because 13 into 13 is 169. That means you will get root of 169, you will get 13. That means hypotenuse we got. Now what you will do? Therefore, what do you want to find out? We want the value of sine square x plus 1 equals sine square, sine x. What is sine theta? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means perpendicular by hypotenuse, the whole square, sine square plus 1 equals perpendicular. What is the value of perpendicular? 12. 12 by hypotenuse 13. So 12 by 13, the whole square plus 1 equals square of 12. 12 12s are 144. 144 divided by 13 square, 169 plus 1. Ready? Now this equals, we will go for the common LCM, that is 169. When you take LCM as 169, direct 144 will write plus this we have to multiply to here, isn't it? So 1 into 169, what will you get? 169. Now 169 plus 144, when you add it, you are going to get 313. Ready? Divided by 169. If you have doubt, please add it. Okay. So 313 divided by 169 means answer D is the right answer. That means the correct option is 2. That is D. Okay. So let's go to the next question. I'll read the question once. If tan A equals 15 by 8 and tan B equals 7 by 24, then cos A plus B is a question mark. Of course, answer is given and the options are there. It came in RRB NTPC 11/4/2016, shift 2. Ready? So what do you want? We want to find out cos A plus B. But we know that cos A plus B equals, what is the equation? Cos A plus B equals cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. But cos A cos B sin A sin B is not given direct. Ready? But it's already given tan A equals 15 by 8. Ready? But we know that tan theta equals perpendicular by base. And we know that by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. Ready? That means this implies tan theta means perpendicular by base. That means this implies perpendicular by base equals 15 by 8. That implies perpendicular is 15. See, perpendicular is 15 and base is 8. Base is 8. Ready? Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what you can write? Hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. That means base is 8. So 8 square plus perpendicular is 15 square equals 8 square. 8 8s are 64 plus 15 square. 15 15s are 225. Ready? Now we have to add this. That means 289. 289. Ready? That is hypotenuse square. Therefore, hypotenuse, if you want, what you will do? Square will goes to next side means square root. That means square root of 289 equals square root of 289, 17. So make sure that you are studying how to take square root. Ready? Now we will find out the value of sin A and cos A. That means therefore sin A equals sin theta means, what is sin theta? Sin theta equals perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos theta equals base by hypotenuse. Ready? That means Sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular in divided by hypotenuse 17. Ready? Now cos A. Cos A equal cos A is base by hypotenuse. That means base by hypotenuse equals base. What is the value of base? Base is 8. 8 divided by hypotenuse 17. Ready? Now same style, what you will do? We will find out the value of sin B cos B. That means what is already given? Given tan B. Tan B equals 7 by 24. Ready? That means this implies tan means perpendicular by base equals 7 by 24. This implies perpendicular is 7 and base is 24. Ready? Therefore, what you will do by Pythagoras theorem we can write hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular equals, what is the value of base? Base is 24. So 24 square plus perpendicular is 7 square. Ready? Equals 24 square is 576. 576 plus 24 into 24, you have to multiply and check otherwise, okay? Plus 7 square, 7 into 7, 49. Ready? Equals, what you will get? 625. Adding these two, isn't it? That means you will get hypotenuse square equals 625. Therefore, hypotenuse equals root of 625. Square root of 625, 25. Ready? Now from here we can find out the value of sin B. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means P by H. Perpendicular is 7. 7 by 25. And cos B. Cos B equals base by hypotenuse equals base is 24. 24 by 25. Now we want to find out cos A plus B. That means what you will do? Cos A plus B equals cos A cos B minus sin A sin B equals, what is the value cos A? Cos A is 8 by 17. 8 by 17 into cos B. Cos B is 24 by 25 minus sin A. Sin A is 15 by 17 into sin B. Sin B is 7 by 25. See, this equals 8 into 24. That will be 192 divided by 17 into 25. What you want to do means you have to multiply and check it. It will be 425. 425 minus 15 into 7. That will be 105 divided by 17 25s are 425. See, multiplication is not very tough, don't worry. 8 4s are 32, 2 will write, 3 will be here. Now 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3, that is 19. That is what? 192. Ready? After that, 17 into 25. See, 17 into 25, there is one very simple method. See, 17 you can write 20 minus 3 into 25. Ready? 17 into 25, you can write 20 minus 3. Ready? After that, see, 20 into 25, what you will get? 20 into 25 means 2 into 25. 2 25s are 50. After that, one more 0. Ready? Again, 3. 3 into 25. 3 25s are 75. Now we'll minus it. When you minus it, 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2 and 4. That means that multiplication. 17 into 25 if you multiply, you are going to get 425. Ready? Otherwise, Vedic arithmetic. What is that? 17 into 25. These two we can multiply this way. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 in hand. Now these two will multiply and add it. See, 1 into 5, 1 into 5 that is 5. After that 2 into 7, 2 into 7 that is 14. So we'll get 14 plus 5, 19. After that 3 is here. So 19 plus 3, that is 22. 2 will write and 2 will be the remainder. Now, 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 2, 4. That is Vedic arithmetic, which you feel easy, you can apply that. Ready? After that, of course, if you want to know Vedic arithmetic, we will be giving on another class for that. Okay? Just you practice according to your will. This equals, now we will go for the LCM as common LCM. It's already there, 425. After that, see 192 minus 105 equals 192 minus 105 will get 87. 87 divided by 425. 87 divided by 425 means correct answer is A. A means the correct option is 1. Ready? Let's go to the next question. I'll read the question once. If sin x equals 4 by 5, then 6 square x minus 1 equal question mark. Answer is given and the options are there. Of course, it came in RRB NTPC 11/4/2016 shift 2. Ready? See what is given here. Given sin x equals 4 by 5. Ready? This implies what is sin theta? Sin theta equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. After that, sec theta. Sec theta equals hypotenuse by base. Sec theta is hypotenuse by base. Ready? So now, in place of sin theta or sin x, what will write? Perpendicular by hypotenuse equals 4 by 5. This implies perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Ready? Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. That means hypotenuse square, this implies hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse is 5. That means 5 square equals base, we don't know. Just keep base square plus perpendicular is 4 square. Ready? This implies 5 square, 5 5s are 25 equals base square plus perpendicular. That is already we got it actually 4 square. That means 4 4s are 16. This 16 goes next side. Yes, minus. This implies 25 minus 16 equals base square. 25 minus 16, that is 9. 9 equals base square. Therefore, base square equals 9. Therefore, base equals root of 9 equals 3. Ready? Now, we want to find out the value of sec square x minus 1 equals. The value of sec. Sec means actually hypotenuse by base. That means what you will do? Hypotenuse by base the whole square minus 1 equals. What is hypotenuse? 5. 5 by base is 3. 3 the whole square minus 1. Ready? This equals square of 5, 25 by square of 3, 9 minus 1. We will take the LCM as 9. Now 25 minus this will multiply here, isn't it? So 9 into 1, 9 equals 25 minus 9, that is 16 by 9. Ready? So 16 by 9 means the correct answer is D. That means the right option is 2, that is D. Ready? So now what you will do? Practice nicely these questions and wait for the balance videos, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Ready?